Find a comfortable seat of your choice, so that could be in a kneeling position or even sitting up on your blanket. Let's begin by nodding our head yes, so looking up, chin towards the sky, and then looking down, chin towards the chest. 2 more times. Look up and down, up and then down. Awesome. Coming right back through to center. Let's nod our head. No, thank you. Looking past your right shoulder and then to your left. 2 more times. Right, left, right, and then left. Stay looking past your left shoulder and begin to draw a rainbow with your nose up and overhead, so that way you're eventually looking past your right shoulder. Again, same action, but now we're going to draw our nose down and towards our chest, doing an upside down rainbow or U shape, and then now we're looking past our left shoulder. Awesome. Coming right back through to center. Right ear towards right shoulder. Extend your left hand out and away from your body. Press your hand into an imaginary wall or surface. Feel free to find any movement that feels good. So moving your hand maybe from side to side or even up and down. This is an intense stretch, so take it slow and easy and breathe here. Awesome. Shake it off, coming right back through to center. Left ear towards left shoulder. Extend your right hand away from your body, flexing and pressing your hand into an imaginary surface. Again, find any movement that feels right for your body. Take it nice and slow and breathe. Awesome. Shake it off, coming right back through center. So return to this video, favorite it, especially if you are looking for some neck TLC. Okay, thank you so very much for joining me here today. Take care. Bye for now.